Hello, my friend. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. This is a safe place for you, a place for simple English and friendly voices. I am your host, Lovely. Today's topic is very important. It is for you. Do you think, my English is bad? Do you feel shy? Many people feel this way. But I have a secret to tell you. You are better at English than you think. Yes, you. Let's discover this together. Find a comfortable chair. Relax and listen. Let's play a little game. It is not a test. It is a fun game. Just listen to my words. Here is the first sentence. I go to the store. You understand that. You know I, you know go, you know store. You are understanding English right now. How amazing is that? Let's try another one. Listen. She likes coffee. You understand again. She likes coffee. Small words, but big meaning. And you understand the meaning. That is a success. You are already using English. Now, think about your life. Do you use English words? Do you say hello? Do you say okay? Do you say sorry? Do you use phone or computer? You see, you use English every day. You are better at English than you think. Now, let's listen to two people. They are meeting. Listen for the words you know.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. Nice day.
Yes, a nice day.
You understood that. You know hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. This is a real conversation, and you understood it. You are amazing. Let's think about words. You know many words. Can you think of 5 food words? In your head, think of 5. Ready? Go. Did you think of some? Maybe apple, bread, water, pizza? You know these words. They are your words. Let's try another group. Think of 5 people words. Mother, friend, teacher, student, doctor. You know them. You see English everywhere. On your phone, in songs. Your brain is learning all the time. Let's listen to that conversation again. Listen. Feel how easy it is now.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. Nice day.
Yes, a nice day.
It sounds easier, right? This is progress. When you listen again, you understand more. This is how you learn, step by step. The goal is not to know every word. The goal is to understand the message, and you can understand the message. You are better at English than you think. Sometimes you think about the words you don't know, but today, think about the words you do know. Look at all the words you understand. It is a long list. You have a strong base. You can build on this strong base. So, let's remember. Today, you understood simple sentences. You remembered English words from your life. You listened to a conversation, and you understood it. Remember this. You know more than you think. Your English journey started a long time ago. You are already on the path. Be happy for every word you know. Every word is a small victory. Thank you for listening. You did a very good job. This is our safe place to learn. I am happy to be here with you. You are not alone. Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and never forget, you are better at English than you think. Goodbye for now.